realized that the parliamentarians were corrupt. Many of them were corrupt, not all of them, not a majority of them, but enough of them were corrupt. And he said the only way to clean up the system is for those who are serious about the job to say no to the parliamentarians and not to accept their corrupt behavior and methods. Okay? Although he knew that 3 years down the pike, they will be the ones who will either renew his mandate for a second term or fire him. But he had the courage to say that. And then 6 months before, then, he speaks, 6 months before the election, parliamentarians voted to give themselves a golden handshake if they were not elected again.
Okay, 24,000 shillings, which was a lot of money in those days. And they assumed Adam will not have the courage to confront them and say no, because he needed their votes to become a second-term president. He says, read that, please. Those who delude themselves that I will not have the courage to ask for discussion, rediscussion, which means a veto and a deliberation because of the upcoming presidential election, but they are making a big mistake if they think of me that way. And he vetoes it. And then, of course, they didn't elect him a few months later. But he had the courage. And then one of the last things I want to say in this, now they pay a lot of money to get elected. For my job, I was there, paid a lot of money. The last night he was paying $30,000 per head. I was the head of the commission watching this. Okay? Hassan Sheikh was paying $50,000 a vote. Okay? Abdullahi Hashish from Bur'o, one of the biggest merchants in the country at that point in time, comes to Adam and tells him, please use my money. I know you are not going to use your own money or the government's money. Use my own money to pay these bloody MPs. And he said, thank you very much for your support, but no, I cannot go that road. If it was Hassan Sheikh or Farmajo,